5:11. We are just now starting to get ready for base. I have to tack rag this, wet the garage, close the garage, put the thing up, and let it rip. So yeah, that's where we're at. One thing I'm running a little different this time is I didn't have time to do the side runners, but I think I'll be fine. I'm all right. I'll be all right. We're here. I should make sure everything's covered. We'll walk around. This, I'm not even gonna primer. Fuck it. Sander. Sander. So yeah, we'll get the tack rag going, and then I'm gonna mix, and I should probably mix right now. Then either way, I gotta get moving, guys. Bear with me.
College girls, give me the game in my ride. Rock all right, so much money on it, you lie, hey. This thing, you can't listen to that. Hey, off the juice, Cody got me tripping. Got the dope, on the roof is missing. Ice, lemonade was tripping. Ice, lemonade was tripping. Addy boys got some 60s in my bag. Lips feel like pillow talking on the bed. In my pillow got you carrots, baby, yeah. Got a penthouse to Rodeo off the stairs. All this money when I grew up I had nothing. Filled with backstabbing, my whole life disgusting. Can't believe it, gotta thank God that I'm living comfortably. Get checks, I don't believe what she said she done with me. Burn some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on a PJ. Yeah, I'm a big dog and I walk around with no leash. I got water on me, yeah, everything on Fiji. Daddy boss, through my door, brand new bag. College girls, give me the gas in my ride. Rock all right, so much money on it, you lie, hey. The bitch they hate, you can't listen to that. Hey, off the juice. Coding got me tripping. Got the gold, one roof is missing. Ice, lemonade.
Holy shit! That was fun. Oh my god, that was harder than the primer. I'm gonna have to do that again. Finally I can see this thing's tinted vision. Alright. Some dirt and stuff in the base. I kept fucking hitting this shit over here too much by accident because the stupid mirrors on. I don't like doing the mirrors on the car, by the way. So you know. I hate it. And look, I didn't even, yeah. Primer, if you don't have it on the car, it looks like shit, by the way. Got a few areas that need to be, I hit this drip, but I didn't blend it enough. But the base is on. That's all we got. She's off gassing now. It's 57, 56 degrees out. And that's how she's looking. I can't tell if she has lines or not yet. We'll see. Pretty sure she does. You can see them. It's really hard to get it right. Tomorrow I'm gonna have to do some more base on the areas that I gotta touch up, and then clear on this fucking thing, and it'll be Tuesday. And then from there, it's a mad dash to finish all the bumpers and stuff. But you can see, like, I gotta get base again because I didn't even hit this right there very good. So with the sun being out, I'll be able to see a little more hopefully. But shit, man, this is really turning into a project. You can tell it's gonna turn out pretty good aside from a few mistakes I made. But I recorded less today because you saw, I don't know, I just recorded less today. I needed to focus on this, and even then it didn't turn out very good. So base is on. Hopefully it'll turn out better than what I'm thinking it's gonna turn out. But there's like chunks. It's like, dude, what the fuck? I hit that with what? It's just scratched. So anyways, we're getting there. Some darker spots on the panel. Like, it must have been getting hot. I don't know, But we'll see what we can do about fixing some of these tomorrow. Gotta wet sand them. Like this will have to be wet sanded and blended. I should be good on that. I just gotta hit that with more base. Wet sand that out if I can. I think that's a chip. Maybe wet sand those little guys out. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure at all. We'll see. We'll see. I got a little light down here on that corner. You can kind of see it. You can't really see it. Okay. But the idea is that I gotta paint some more on this car, unfortunately. So we're not quite ready for our clear. It's okay. I still have base left for the car. I should have enough to do all the other parts too. I am running one on the floor over there. I don't know. It was a mess. It was a mess in here, tripping. I hate this fucking hose. It loves to stay coiled when you're walking around the front of the car, and this angle makes it impossible. So it always tries to kick up water on you. Actually annoying. Fuck off. But yeah, we get an idea how she's looking. The base, the night of. Hopefully she'll look better tomorrow. I still gotta clean up out here. I'm gonna let it sit and aerate, and then I'll start pulling stuff in. But man, so she's like kind of blue. We got a little bit down there. So yeah, I probably gotta do another coat. I think I gotta clean these errors up and then do a final base coat. And cup and a half. And then we final base coat and clear coat tomorrow. And tonight, I don't know, maybe I'll try to upload this video, keep the train rolling, because it's Tuesday, baby. It's fucking Tuesday. I'm hungry. 7:30. Not really hyped on it, but more hyped on it that more is applied. I just gotta fix a couple things and final coat tomorrow on this, and then we'll hit it with clear. And I'm running low on mixing cups, and gonna have to research a couple things. But yeah, this is a fucking mess over here. Don't you mind? But that's where we're at so far with it. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that sub button, subscribe right now. I'm doing in-home paint, baby. Anyways, it's starting, it looks all right. I went light here. Yeah, dude, this needs a final coat. And I need to be able to see, so maybe tomorrow I'll just leave the garage open. I don't fucking know, dude. Like, I can't see in here. Granted, it's dark, but this ain't enough. This ain't enough. Anyways, that's all for today, boys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.